How much should you actually spend on a hiking watch? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, AOSLSI Military Outdoor Watch. First up is the AOSLSI Military Outdoor Watch, priced at $39.99. What caught my attention here is its impressive array of features for such a low price. If you want a budget-friendly option that covers the essentials, this is worth a serious look. This watch is packed with functionality that directly benefits outdoor enthusiasts. The built-in barometer gives you real-time weather updates, which, trust me, can be a lifesaver when you're out there. Plus, the thermometer shows temperatures from -10 degrees C to 60 degrees C, so you know what you're dealing with. And for those who love tracking their workouts, the pedometer records your steps, calories burned, and distance traveled. This matters because you want to know how much you've accomplished on your hike without carrying extra gadgets. With a rating of 4 stars from almost 1,000 reviews, many users seem satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about the accuracy of the compass not being perfect. Here's the thing though, if you're an experienced hiker, you probably already have a backup navigation method. It's not a deal breaker, especially considering the price. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner hiker needing a reliable companion without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want something more premium that offers advanced features. For under $40, it's a solid value. Now, if the AOSLSI's compass issue bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for reliability. Product number 2, Casio FT500WC Series. Next up is the Casio FT500WC Series, retailing at just $34.26. This rugged analog watch caught my eye with its simple yet effective design. If you're after a reliable everyday watch that looks good while hiking, this one deserves your attention. Plus, it has a 3-year battery life, which means you won't be scrambling to change batteries every few hikes. The Velcro fastener is quick and secure, making it easy to get on and off while you're on the go. The dial is clear, with Arabic hour markers that are easy to read, even in low light. Here's why this matters for you specifically. During those early morning hikes or dusk explorations, you want to check the time quickly without squinting. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 13,000 reviews, it's clear that many find it a trustworthy companion. Now, some users mention that the Velcro strap can wear out over time. But honestly, this is common with fabric straps, and you can easily replace it with a standard watch band if needed. This is perfect for you if you want a classic design that's easy to use. Skip this if you prefer digital features or advanced tracking capabilities. For this price point, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tracking your outdoor adventures. Product number 3, SUNTO Core Classic Outdoor Watch. Third on the list is the SUNTO Core Classic Outdoor Watch, priced at $148.99. The sleek design and robust features really caught my attention. If you want a watch that's built for serious adventurers, this is definitely worth a closer look. This watch is packed with features like a storm alarm, altimeter, barometer, and compass. The storm alarm can prevent you from getting caught in bad weather, while the altimeter and barometer are vital for tracking altitude changes. With a predicted sunrise and sunset feature, you can maximize your time outdoors, a must-have when you're deep in the wilderness. Plus, with a rating of 4.3 stars from 16,200 reviews, it's clear that this watch is popular among outdoor enthusiasts. However, some users found the interface a bit tricky to navigate initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the features are incredibly useful and worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're an avid hiker who needs reliable, real-time weather data. Skip this if you're looking for something more casual or less complex. For what you get, it's a fantastic value for the serious outdoorsman. Now, if the learning curve of the SUNTO bothers you, you might appreciate the next product for its simplicity. Product number 4, Casio SGW100 Series. Next is the Casio SGW100 Series, available for $71.96. The rugged design and solid specs really stood out to me. If you want a no-nonsense watch that performs well in the outdoors, this one is definitely worth considering. The SGW100 offers twin sensors for direction and temperature, making it great for navigation and understanding your environment. The 100-second stopwatch is handy for timing your hikes, and the auto calendar keeps you organized. What's impressive is the protective mineral crystal that guards against scratches, so you can wear it without worrying about damage. With a 4.5-star rating from over 7,800 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability. Some users reported the watch being a bit bulky, which may not suit everyone's style. But here's the thing, for a watch that's meant to be rugged and durable, a slightly larger size is often a good trade-off for increased functionality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for durability and essential features at a reasonable price. Skip this if you prefer a sleeker design or lighter weight. Overall, it's a solid value for those who want a watch that can take a beating. Now, if the bulkiness of the Casio SGW100 is a concern, you might be interested in something more streamlined. Product number 5, Timex Men's Expedition Scout. Lastly, we have the Timex Men's Expedition Scout watch costing $38.48. The classic design and timeless appeal really caught my eye. If you want a watch that combines style with functionality, this is definitely worth your time. This rugged outdoor watch has a durable fabric strap that's comfortable to wear and adjustable for all wrist sizes. The INDIGLO backlight is a fantastic feature, allowing you to read the time in the dark with just a push of a button, super handy for those late-night camping trips. With a 24-hour format option, it's also great for military time users. It has a good rating of 4.3 stars from over 30,000 reviews, indicating that many people trust this watch for their adventures. However, some users mentioned that it might not be as water-resistant as they expected. But honestly, for casual hikes and everyday use, it holds up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that's functional for both urban and outdoor settings. Skip this if you're looking for features like GPS tracking or advanced altimeters. For under $40, it strikes a great balance of style and practicality. So to wrap it all up, the AOSLSI Military Outdoor Watch is a great budget pick, while the Casio FT500WC offers reliability and simplicity. The SUNTO Core Classic is perfect for serious adventurers, and the Casio SGW100 provides essential features for rugged use. Finally, the Timex Expedition Scout combines style with function. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to your personal hiking needs.